Hi everyone, my name's Philip with iRobot, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the first true hands-free 2-in-1 robot. That's right, we've got the brand new Roomba Combo J7 Plus robot vacuum and mop. First we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box, then we're going to watch this robot both vacuum and mop my home at the same time, then we'll wrap up and get you out of here. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba Combo J7 Plus. First, we've got the Roomba Combo J7 robot itself that's sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, one power cord, one extra microfiber wet mopping pad, one extra edge sweeping brush, one extra filter, one dirt disposal bag, and then sample solutions of Bona hard surface and hardwood cleaning solution. So here it is, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, the first true hands-free 2-in-1 robot. Now you might be wondering, how exactly is this hands-free? Well, unlike other robots that offer 2-in-1 capability, you don't need to wait for this robot to finish vacuuming and place a mopping pad underneath it, nor do you have to make markings all over your smart map to designate where every single inch of carpet is in your home, or wonder if 4 millimeters is high enough to raise a mopping pad off the carpeted areas in your home. Roomba Combo J7 Plus is simply going to place the mopping pad down on the floor on all the hard surface areas in your home, and as it approaches carpets or rugs, it's going to stop for just a second, retract the mopping pad away, and just vacuum those areas. Now that is hands-free. Alright, so I'm going to quickly show you how to fill the tank to your Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Go ahead and press this bin release button right here. From there, go ahead and pull up on this blue tab. Grab the Bona cleaning solution that matches the floor types that are in your home and mix with water, then go ahead and pour it on in. Press the lid closed. Slide the bin on in, and your Roomba Combo J7 Plus is ready to get to work in your home. When it's done cleaning for the day, go ahead and lift the flap right here. It's Velcroed here, and then there's a clip right here. Go ahead and drop this into the washer. This robot comes packed with all the great features of the Roomba J7 Plus, which includes the tangle-free rubber brushes, specially designed edge brush, added suction power, cliff detect, dirt detect, and the front-facing camera that allows this robot to recognize and avoid objects on the ground like cables and cords, socks and shoes, shirts and shorts, towels, backpacks, pet toys, pets themselves, and even poop. That's right, you heard that last part correctly. Roomba Combo J7 Plus will avoid any accidents that your pet may leave behind. And we're so confident in our ability to avoid your pet oops that we bring you the official poop promise, where if Roomba Combo J7 Plus runs into poop, we will replace it at no charge to you. Rest easy everyone, no more worrying about unwanted floor paintings in the house. Roomba Combo J7 Plus is powered by iRobot OS, where it's not only going to continue to get smarter over time, but it'll also suggest personalized cleaning suggestions tailored to your life, added cleaning missions when it's needed the most, so think pet shedding season or high pollen count in your area, clean zones and areas around the house that maybe need a little bit more extra love and attention, and add to the ever-growing list of objects that this robot can avoid on the ground automatically. With the iRobot Home app, you can store multiple levels to the home, tell Roomba Combo J7 Plus exactly when and where to clean the home, tell it to vacuum only if needed, and even designate specific rooms that have specific cleaning preferences. So if you need that extra love and attention with some extra cleaning solution in the kitchen and the bathroom, you can do just that. And with more voice commands than any other robot, you can simply tell your Roomba Combo J7 Plus to clean the entire home, the bathroom, or right in front of the couch with your favorite Alexa, Google, or Siri-enabled device. Roomba Combo J7 Plus comes with our clean base automatic dirt disposal, where it'll automatically empty the dirt and debris that was vacuumed off the floors in your home into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days. When full, simply lift the lid to the clean base here, pull the used bag up and out, throw it in the trash, grab the nearby bag to replace it with, slide it on in, close the lid, and Roomba Combo J7 Plus is ready to get to work again. So that was a lot of information I just spilled. We gotta clean this up. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is the first true hands-free 2-in-1 robot where it'll vacuum and mop at the same time, except for when it encounters rugs or carpet. It'll also avoid objects that are on the ground, including poop. And with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, this is gonna contain the dirt and debris that's vacuumed off your floors for months at a time. So go ahead and add one to your cart today, if you haven't done so already, so you can start enjoying both those vacuumed and mopped floors in your home. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Oh, Alexa, I need Roomba Combo to vacuum and mop my kitchen, please.
Okay, I'll tell Roomba to start vacuuming.